Hello, and welcome into the Hereford Historic Inlet Lighthouse located in North Wildwood in Cape May County, New Jersey, the United States, situated on southwestern shore of the Hereford Inlet at the north end of 5 Mile Beach. Its construction was completed and it became operational in 1974, and it is a National Register, the Historic Places, um, uh, Association. So, and what else are the facts here? It's 50 feet high. So the peak of the lighthouse, 50 feet high, actually 57 feet high, and it was all automated in 1964. Its construction is wood, which is a little bit unusual. And another unusual thing about this lighthouse is the gardens. It is surrounded by very beautiful, well-maintained, almost a serene area. Even though this is located in North Wildwood, this is a very quiet, peaceful area with a lot of shade. It's a very, kind of a cool place with all the greenery and trees and so on to give you plenty of shade. And here we're walking out to the kind of the inlet here. It's an unusual location with the inlet and then the ocean beyond that. But it's even in the summer months, is kind of a quiet location, not overcrowded like most things down at the shore. So if you have time, I'd recommend to stop by here if you want something a little bit different than your usual beach and boardwalk activity. So you just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. Got a little music playing in the background, and I'll drop some links below to their website, maybe the Wikipedia article about the location. I believe you can tour inside the lighthouse. I believe it's free. You may just leave a donation. I believe I don't know if you can walk to the top, but there is an inside component to visiting this lighthouse. So, okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you back on our next adventure here at the Jersey Shore.